Hello guys, my name is Charles Thompson. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your light. Today I brought to the studio a very beautiful actress, and she's model too, and she speaks more than 5 languages, and she can introduce herself. So,
hello.
Let's start. This is the subject with only key light, and now let's make our backlight. Okay, the difference. You see there's a difference now between the background and the subject. Now there is a shadow created by this light. With this side, there's a shadow here. We have to turn this light on, and now we will wash out this shadow. Let's test it. Yes. Now it's much more better to see this shadow here. A little bit hard, but we can increase the light. Yeah. Yes, it is. Now we can see our 3-point light. We have key light, fill light, and backlight. But we can create this top light. This light is used to make special emotions between the subject and background, but it keeps viewer attentions on the subject. This light, the top light, if you put it right here, it's not good. You have to put it here, but a little bit rotate, like maybe this side or this side. It's your choice. But I put it this side. You can see the light is here on the shoulder, and the key light make it bright like here, and a little shadow here. We use the fill light to wash it out, and then we use this backlight to make air light. Okay, it's much more it's better to watch something like that instead of something like that without this light. Let's test it. You'll see the difference. Let me turn this out. Ooh. So look at the difference. So there is a key light, there is a fill light, but no top light, no backlight. It's less interesting to watch. So we've done for this part.
So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and also to our Instagram. You're welcome to the next videos. Bye.